Hey, how's it going, guys? Today we are gonna Leetcode the 190 question reverse beats in Python. So reverse beats have been given 32 bits unsigned integer. So if our input is like this, our output is here, because basically you see like if you read backwards like 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, right? So basically it's like make this your input reversed, right? You can also see here if you read backwards 1 0 1 1 1, and you can see here is 1 0 1 1 1. Okay, note that in some languages such as Java there is no unsigned integer. So signed integer and unsigned integer basically means that signed integer can be represented for positive numbers and negative numbers. Definitely look up more on what's signed integer and unsigned integer if you're not familiar with them. Okay, so basically we just need to reverse your input, right? So if we can convert our input, which is integer, into a string, and we can just use, and string is really easy to reverse, right? And once we get this reverse string, we will just use the Python's built-in int function to convert it back to an integer, if that makes sense, which is also like a binary integer. Okay, let's do that. So in order to convert an integer into a binary number, you can use this one. Okay. There to be, because there's 32 bytes, 32 bits. That passing n. So let's just call it string. So this is how you convert an integer into a binary string. Well, this is just how you do it. You can just remember it, right? And once you get the string, you just reverse it, right? So to reverse the string, you just do this. To reverse it, and let's just call it reverse.